Kim works full-time and cares for her aging mom. Her days were spent doing housework, helping mom with personal care, making appointments, arranging in-home help, managing medications, running errands, and driving mom to all her medical appointments. Kim was exhausted and overwhelmed, and she worried about how to pay for mom's increasing care needs. Then Kim discovered Unlock PACE, a program of all-inclusive care for the elderly. Unlock PACE meets mom's needs all under one program. With Unlock PACE, she has a care team of professionals. They work together to coordinate and deliver mom's health and care needs. Mom's team includes her doctor, nurse, social worker, physical therapist, occupational therapist, dietitian, dentist, activity therapist, home care coordinator, caregiver, and transportation driver. Mom's team makes sure she has the care, medical supplies, medications, equipment, and social enrichment she needs for overall well-being. Kim met with an Unlock PACE enrollment representative. She learned that the program is both a health plan and a healthcare provider combined. Mom qualifies because of her age and she lives in the service area. She needs help with mobility, transfers, and personal care. Mom can live safely in the community, such as her own home, and she agrees to receive her health and personal care from Unlock PACE. Best of all, Unlock PACE covers all Medicare and Medi-Cal services, plus more. And there are no deductibles, co-payments, or co-insurance for any care and services approved by the care team. Now, Kim can relax and enjoy her time with mom. The Unlock PACE care team handles all the details. Is Unlock PACE right for your family? Find out. Call today at...
All right, but it's time for us to get into our info segment. Oh my God, this is a segment I love because it's something to do with food. No, just kidding, Banja. It's about how you can actually eat healthy, wherein your food becomes kind of a medicine. That's what they say, right? There's something somewhere I read somewhere a long time ago.
Yeah.
But I think that's something which I am sure our dietitian at Unlock PACE, Rachna ji, actually will endorse and say, yes, you're right, Altu Baba.
Yeah.
And she'll be very pleased with my statement. But she's already on air with us. Rachna ji, welcome. How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you guys doing?
I'm doing wonderful. After your segment last time, I've been really watching what I eat.
Very good.
Eyes
Good
wide
to hear
open, of
that.
course. So very good, of course. Right now, Balaja, we're talking to Rachna ji, who actually is a dietitian at the Unlock PACE, and I'm part of the IDT team, which actually helps your seniors. When you actually enroll, or you could be a senior yourself with 55 plus, and you're thinking of whether you can actually get to a managed care which can help you in a holistic approach to it, because there's a whole team, an army which works for your healthcare, and that's what you can get at Unlock. And to know if you qualify for that, here's what you got to do. Dial this number 1-855-308-0195. It's right there above. If you're watching us on video, you can see right there. It's 1-855-308-0195. And today we're going to talk about something which many of us actually have heard of people saying, right? It's about diets.
Right.
So Rachna ji, आज कुछ बातें करेंगे डाइट्स के बारे में, लेकिन उससे पहले अपने बारे में छोटा सा इंट्रो दे दीजिएगा कि people are listening right now, just tuning in. आप dietitian हो, and can you talk a little bit about you and
How long you've been at Unlock and
Unlock.
what's your role?
So Unlock, I work with Unlock as a dietitian, and I'm about to complete 7 years with Unlock in this November. So I'm so excited as I say that, like, I'm with Unlock for 7 years, and
Wow.
I feel proud of it because working with Unlock, I mean, it gives me such a great sense of satisfaction with what I do with my seniors. As a child, I think I always been inclined to be attracted towards seniors, like helping them out. I have some faint memories of my childhood back in India, though, but I will always help looking at the older people. So I think what I have today as my job just gives me a sense of satisfaction. So I love being with Unlock.
Wonderful. And just by listening to all the people who are coming from Unlock, I feel I also need to go find a job there, Well, we'll talk about it later some other time. But right now, really want our bandhus to actually take the benefit of this, right? And आज जो भी बातें हो रही है, some of the questions that come from our listeners who are listening to us, and some of the questions we have thought of also. And in our discussions with people, जब भी हम लोग बातें करते हैं, आपको मालूम है रचना जी, we talk about, hey, you lost so much weight. So everybody talks about that nowadays. You know, it's like become a fashion now. And people talk about diets. And seniors में last time आपने जिक्र किया था, लेकिन मेरा लास्ट वीक भी ऐसा ही हुआ था कि सीनियर में जाके बोला, अल्तोबा यू पुट ऑन टू मच ऑफ वेट, क्या करना, रोटी चावल खाना बंद कर. Like, yeah, what are you talking about? He's from North India, so he said चावल खाना बंद कर, तू रोटी ज़्यादा खा. So like, you know, he was prescribing to me, though he's not a dietitian, but he was like, you know, वो होता है seniors में. So and they say, oh, desi khana is the best khana. But I have heard one more thing about these special fads which are coming up, or dieting. What do you call them? Programs, is it? You've heard of this keto, Faltrani?
Oh, that's been yeah. So what's your take on the keto diet, Rachna ji? Is that something that's...
I also had one more thing. There's one more thing called as Mediterranean diet. Now, I don't know. Are we Mediterranean? No, we're not, right?
We're not.
So is there a difference between the two of them? Can you talk a little bit about what this versus that?
Yeah, so those two diets are entirely like quite different from each other. And I know like the keto diet has been very popular recently. A lot of people I hear that are doing that diet. And let's talk a little bit more about the keto diet first, and then we can go to Mediterranean as well.
Yeah.
So a keto diet is something that is very high in fat, and it's moderate in protein, and it's very low in carbohydrates.
Oh, wow.
That's the key to this diet, is because, you know, like when so in this diet, the carbs are kind of like very less, just 5 to 10% of your diet is carbohydrate, and then about 10 to 30% is protein, and the rest is fat in your diet. So it's quite amazing to hear that, you know, like, oh, how come like when you eat so much of fat, you tend to lose weight by doing keto diet? So we'll talk a little bit about the mechanism that works behind it. So when you reduce the carbs and the fat is increased, your body tends to enter a metabolic state which is called ketosis. And that's where the name comes from, a keto diet. Because what it's helping you is that it is making your body enter a state called ketosis. And then what body does it starts turning the fats into ketones, which are molecules that can supply energy for your brain.
Oh.
For the brain?
Yeah.
Wow.
So because whenever you eat, like your basic diet generally is very high in carbohydrates. Like we do, like majority of our diet is carbohydrates, and then all our carbohydrates are converted into glucose, right, which gives you energy. And then our brain is like, it should not be without the glucose. Like, you know, you must have noticed that if you don't eat for a long time, like if you give like people do fasting, right, they don't eat for a long time, and they do different kind of fastings, and you feel like when your body tells you, hey, you need to eat because you're feeling something, like some people tend to feel dizzy and things like that. So there is no glucose in your brain, because when you're starving yourself for a long time, those things tend to happen. But on a keto diet, what it does is that it tells you to, the keto diet asks like eat a lot of fat. So about like you can say like 50 to 60% of your calories on a daily basis should come from your fat intake.
Wow.
So when you're eating so much fat and very less carbohydrates, like just 5 to 10% of your calories is just your carbohydrates. So most of your energy is coming from the ketones, because what has happened is that when your body has taken so much fat in your intake, it enters the ketosis, and then your body starts turning fats into ketones, right? And this is the one that is supplying energy for the brain.
Wow.
And there is a lot of research that has been done on this, stating that it does help you lose weight because of this mechanism, what it does. And it does lower your insulin levels, because the insulin is the hormone that gets high in your bodies whenever you eat a carbohydrate. But in this diet, you're not eating carbohydrates much. So your insulin levels also go down, and which helps better manage your blood sugars as well.
So does it mean this is something which would benefit a senior? Would you prescribe that to them by any chance?
I would not prescribe it to everyone, but it would be always dependent on their other chronic illnesses they have, or, you know, always like individualized meal plan. I cannot recommend this to everybody. I have to always like first assess if that person is, one is that if that is something I would like to recommend, is first, if yes, then it would also take the opinion of that particular individual to see if they are ready to make such changes, because this is something really huge. And at that age, when if like it depends a lot on what their cultural background is, because this diet also has a lot of, like, when you have to eat a lot of fat, moderate amount of protein, and a lot of I see that our population is also, a lot of people are vegetarian.
Correct.
So I have to
yeah.
take into account all those things when I do something like of this kind, I would say.
So then, what is the contrast to the Mediterranean? How is Mediterranean different? Mediterranean diet.
Yeah. So Mediterranean diet is, like, as the name suggests, that this diet belongs to the Mediterranean region, which is like the Mediterranean Sea, and the people around that area would follow that diet, because this diet which is rich in fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, and fish.
Oh.
This diet offers many heart healthy benefits.
Okay.
So this diet is basically, it says that you do, and it's also in contrast to the DASH diet. Like, I don't know if you've heard about DASH. That means diet approach to stop hypertension.
Oh,
Because we
wow.
see a lot of diagnosis of hypertension in our senior population as well. So the Mediterranean diet is kind of similar to a DASH diet, which means the diet that you follow under a Mediterranean diet, like including more fruits and vegetables, doing more legumes, more whole grains, and the kind of fat that it tells you to do, like the olive oil, the fish, it offers a lot of heart healthy benefits as well.
In summary, the way I understand, Sanjay, please correct me if I'm wrong. So it seems that these are just names, but they still have to be personalized to a person's. Like how you do an assessment of an individual, right? So it's individualized plan which you write for them, right?
Yes,
Don't go
that's
by the
definitely
labels.
true.
Yeah.
Yes.
And of course, that's a benefit, Baranjan. We're actually in conversation with the dietitian who was part of the IDT team at the Onlock PACE program. Now, this program is an excellent program for anybody who's 55 and above. If you have a senior in your house and you want them to get proper, comprehensive care, contact Onlock and see if you qualify for this program. The number to call is 1-855-308-0195, 1-855-308-0195. We have talked to a bunch of professionals from Onlock who talked a lot about this, and one of my favorite topic is this, because I sometimes feel like what you put inside is what your life is.
Yeah.
So, and having a dietitian look over the plan, right? And she also talked about, in the previous segments, talked about the meal delivery plans for seniors who are not able to prepare their own food, who have some difficulty in getting this done, and they provide that service as well. Definitely contact them, 1-855-308-0195.
And again, Rachna ji, thank you so much for shedding some light on the different types of diet. I learned something new. I didn't know about the Mediterranean diet. I knew about keto, but I was like, it's too hard for me to follow because, I need my dahi chawal at the end of the day. So, but it that could be true. I mean, it's just me. But for our seniors, they're kind of set in their ways, right? They've been like so many years. So I think it's a lot of behavioral, training too that requires to be done, and I can imagine how much of a task it must be to be able to bring that change in them. So thank you so much for what you do, and again,
and thank you for clarifying the Mediterranean diet is not falafel. No, seriously, I have a friend of mine who actually goes to a very popular Mediterranean thing. Oh, let's go eat healthy.
Yeah.
And what does he eat? Falafel and fries.
Oh God.
So thank you for shedding light on that, because I personally did not know about that. Let's go healthy. We have to go to a Mediterranean restaurant to eat.
No, you
More
forgot
fruits and
baklava.
vegetables.
Yeah.
Variety of fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables, yes.
Fruits and vegetables. And Bandhajan, and अगर आप एक senior हो, and हमें मालूम है काफ़ी सारे हमारे seniors इस program को सुनते हैं, मोहम्मद वचन साहब, आपको भी बताना है, अगर आप भी reach out करना चाहते हैं and you would like to get more information, please call them 1-855-308-0195 as to how this program can support you into leading a quality of life that you deserve, and one of vitality. So let's thank Rachna ji for joining us. We'll look forward to talking to you sometime in the near future. The meanwhile, have yourself a beautiful rest of the day. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank
You
you.
too. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.